This is Automotive Mechanics. Welcome back to the channel. Customer states they tried to fix their bumper by themselves after a collision. They didn't do too bad of a job with the fix. This customer tried to jack up their car to fix a flat tire, and this was the result. They accidentally damaged the vehicle. When the mechanic checked the bottom of this customer's car, they noticed some symbols etched into the car. This customer had a lot of hangers in their trunk. After a while, the mechanic learned not to ask too many questions and just go with the flow. This customer got confused with 3 months, 3,000 miles, and 3 years, and 30,000 miles. Customer states they brought their Tesla into the shop for an oil change. This was the mechanic's view when he jacked up the car. Not sure who is at fault here. A customer brought this car into the shop, and the mechanic took one look into the car and refused to get inside or work on it. What would you do? Mechanic had a really funny tailgate come into the shop. I wonder how people would react to be driving behind this truck on the road in public. Brand new technician states the spare tire is missing on this Honda. The spare tire is actually mounted on the outside of the car. Customer brought their 1987 Ford Ranger truck into the shop for an oil change, and this happened instead. The customer spent so many years of taking well care of it for this to happen. Customer states their friend just bought this Tacoma for super cheap. Mechanic looked under the car and saw this. Not sure how to tell the customer the news. The senior mechanic told the brand new mechanic that they could not get the axle out without a press, and this happened. The mechanic ordered 17 millimeters, but somehow the company shipped a 170 millimeters instead. It's a really big difference. Customer told the mechanic, just give me my free oil change. The mechanic took a look at their tires and noticed this. This is the design of the Dodge Journey. To work on the battery is extremely hard to get to. This might be the most crazy car engineering that has ever been made. This might be the most useful tool for telling brake pad wear. Whoever made this invention must be a genius. It's something you can use every day. The previous mechanic who worked on this car welded the socket to the oil drain bolt. Is this a good idea? Not really sure how to feel about it. A 2007 Acura RDX reportedly needs $3,500 for a new turbo according to the last shop, while the local Acura dealer quoted around $7,000. However, we quoted we can machine the replacement part for only $160 and complete the installation in an hour or less. This is how to gain a customer for life. Mechanic opened the front hood of the car and saw this. Not really sure how this can happen. It got really bloated somehow. Customer came in expecting to pass inspection with a blocked out license plate and the darkest tint that the mechanic has ever seen on windows and windshield. Don't forget to subscribe, and turn post notifications on. Customer states someone broke their window at Walmart and they need it replaced. What was your favorite clip from this video?